Good morning, traders, and welcome to Phoenix Blues Morning Update. Today's the 29th of August 2017. I hope you're all very well. We've had a long bank holiday weekend here in the UK, so it's the first day on the back on for many of you guys to work, but no doubt, please stay tuned to the markets because there is a lot happening now. As most of you already know, there has been tensions have escalated from the Korean Peninsula, and North Korea has fired what is so far to be deemed as a test missile over North Japan. Now, that's obviously caused tensions to rise somewhat, and the markets have responded to it. But first things first, let's have a quick look at the dollar index. The dollar index right now floating at 91.80, which has broken its previous low, which was set almost 2.5 years ago. So the last time it was back at its current level, as we can see on the chart right now, was late in 2014. So it's been quite some time since we've seen the dollar index so low. It's almost at free fall after Friday, after the Super Friday we had, where we had both members from the ECB and the Fed, so Draghi and Yellen, speaking at Jackson Hole. Moving on to our majors and minors, the euro is looking extremely bullish. Obviously, with the call to safe havens, there are a few instruments that are being heavily backed right now. The euro is still looking very firmly in a bullish position and has rocketed past 1.2 right now. Currently sitting at 1.2025, so just above 1.2. Yen obviously is appreciating somewhat, coming close and having a good test of that 108.50 area. We've seen it come down and break that on this particular chart, 108.29, and then testing back up to its lows where we had previously seen a test. And moving on forward onto cable, just like the euro, has pushed on somewhat, and right now just sitting just below 129.50. Right now floating at 129.40. So still, again, coming back and testing this long-term trend line that I've got. It's actually a fib fan, which we've derived off another level. And for any questions in regards to how we're using this analysis, feel free to send us a message, and we'll be happy to help. Moving on forward, having a look at WTI right now. Obviously, the Hurricane Harvey has caused disruptions as we were predicted last week. And obviously that's hit the refineries, which obviously means that there is a slight build-up of crude inventories. That being said, there are some disruptions in crude inventories, or I should say crude supply, coming from Libya as well as Colombia, and that's been filtering through the markets as well. And obviously that, alongside the build-up of crude in the US, is driving the price of WTI, and no doubt what we would see Brent short right now sitting at 46.58. Still looks very bearish, and no doubt many traders are looking to sell on the rally once again. The big mover alongside the euro and the yen has to be gold. Obviously, the flight to the safe havens has been very evident on this chart, breaking the 1300 and sitting right now, gold sitting at 1321.30 per troy ounce, looking very strong indeed. And no doubt all investors are looking to the safe havens as a good bet, effectively. As always, guys, if you've got any questions in regards to the charts and how we utilize our analysis to get in front of the markets and capture a good source of profit, feel free to send us an email at info@phoenixblue.co.uk. Until next time, traders, happy trading. Bye bye.